Hey, how you doing out there? I hope that you're all staying safe, taking care of your families, taking care of your loved ones from this unprecedented COVID-19 outbreak. My sincere hope is that we all come out on the other side of this thing better than when we went into it. My name is Joe Truncellito, by the way, and I am a territory manager here in portions of the Carolinas for Schluter-Systems. And I am in sunny Charlotte today in my storage unit where I get to build all these projects and demos, and I hope that soon I can come and see you live and in color, okay? But for now, we're going to shoot a little tips and tricks home version for you. And I want to show you how to modify this piece of 2-inch PVC to fit our bonding flange, okay? Very simple thing. Many of you know exactly how to do this, but I believe there's some out there that could use this tip. If we notice, this part of the bonding flange actually protrudes out and sits around that 5-inch opening in the floor and sits on top of the subfloor, okay? And if we notice in here, there's a portion of the 2-inch PVC that we need to modify that's going to go back up into here, okay? So we need to measure from this point here to the end right here. Okay, let's find that measurement, and then let's measure back up into here, figure out that measurement, do a little simple math, and we come up with a number. And we want to take that number and actually put it on this little handy dandy, one of my favorite tools in the tool bag. This is an inside pipe cutter, and you can see what it is, right? It's made to go down inside of a pipe and cut it. We're going to attach it to a drill. It's about 4 inches long, and we're going to cut that pipe loose, modify it so we can fit that bonding flange on there, okay? If you notice there's a mark on there, I put some orange tape, and then I put a black mark on there to indicate the measurement that I need to cut this pipe at. All right, so let me show you how this is going to work. I'm going to take this and we're going to attach it onto the end of our drill. All right, now this piece of 2-inch pipe is actually sticking out of the floor, and that's how I would tell my contractors or my plumbers to leave it, right? Either sticking out of the floor or even with the floor. So if it was sticking out of the floor, I would take my multi-tool, my oscillating tool right here, and I would cut it off as close to even with the floor as I could, because it's a little easier to do it this way when we're going to attach this to the drill. So now, this mark that we have on here, we need to keep that even with the top of this subfloor, okay? But we also need to be inside this pipe. So we're going to go around here, we're going to cut this loose, keeping that mark even with the top of the subfloor. We're going to cut that loose, and we're going to take that piece and we're going to get rid of it. We don't need it anymore. But there should be a piece remaining in there that's still hooked up to the outta trap, and that's what we're going to use to connect this bonding flange, because it's got to sit tight to this preformed shower tray. So we're going to put that on there. Boom, look at that. We connected it, we made the connection, we modified it perfectly using our inside pipe cutter, okay? Now we can proceed, we can thin set this all in place. Now this was all pre-cut, predetermined, figured out before we did any thin setting, right? Before we did any primer, PVC, glue, we didn't do any of that yet, right? Pre-check everything, make sure you're where you want to be before you mix up any thin set and do any of this other work that needs to be done, okay? That's my tips and tricks video from sunny Charlotte, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. For more info, go to our website at Schluter.com. Thank you for your support as always. Take care of yourselves, and please stay safe.